Alright, good morning, everybody. Today is going to be the first vlog. We're going to a Cars and Coffee out here in Sacramento. Don't grind me too much in the comment section here because this is my first moto vlog and the whole mic setup today is a whole disaster. I forgot to do a actual intro here, so welcome back to another vlog. This is your boy Augusto, AJ, back at it with another video. But this time, as you can see, it's a whole different scenery. So let's just go and meet with the rest of the guys and see what's going on. Hopefully it's going to be a good day. Everyone out there that's riding, if you're into riding, always ride safe. Enough of me talking. Let's get on with the show. So today, actually let me get off my driveway. Today's going to be the first day where I test out this Osmo, and surprisingly enough, the Osmo is not really that bad. It's just the whole entire mic process. Now, I don't even know if you guys can hear me well here because the bike is pretty loud and the microphone situation is really not that great right now. But like I said, this is all trial, so I really hope that all of this footage that I have right now, or I'm trying to take, is not going to be, you know, thrown out the window. So, like, you guys let me know if you guys have any suggestions about how I should do moto vlogs. I am interested in getting everyone's take here and just letting me know how I could improve my footage. As you guys could probably tell, I'm such a noob at this. And I'm probably honestly going to be extremely over it when it comes to editing this video later. So it is out right now. It is nice and bright and sunny out here in Northern California. But it is pretty cold though. Last time I checked the weather app, it was at 53 degrees. So as you guys can see, this is such a noob thing. You're not supposed to see this right here. So I'm gonna continue to try to talk to you guys here. I normally ride super quiet, but since I do have a microphone, might as well try it out, right? Northern California, if you're not from here, you see a lot of green fields just like this, but it is not the boonies. Oh man, those are just crispy. But yes, as I was saying, here in Northern California, you see a lot of greenery, there's a lot of trees, a lot of buildings, but it's not the boonies, nor is it a big city. So what it really is just a valley. If you guys are from Southern California, the way I could really describe this is that it's almost as if it's San Diego, minus the big skyscrapers. So, whoa, what the heck? Boat. That's super nice. I wish I had one myself. That's a fucking nice car too, man. M3 is definitely one of my dream cars to have, just to have a matching BMW with the bike. So gosh, I just realized I forgot to put my earplugs in. And Irene, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. You were using my earplugs, but I realized that this helmet's going to be super loud on the freeway. It's already loud now, but gotta do it for the clip, I guess. pretty cold out here. Alright, let's talk about the motorcycle, guys. So, let me lower down my music here. Cardio systems, by the way, super, super nice. Cardio, you can listen to music, talk to your friends when you guys are riding together. But this is a 2024 S1000RR. I bought it late last year, actually, or mid last year, during my birthday in August. And I didn't really get to ride it that much because as soon as I got it, it started raining out. And when I got it, my buddies at CI wrapped the bike, which looks phenomenal, by the way. Oh shit. Which looks phenomenal, but I couldn't ride it because it was in the shop for like a couple days, not too long. They are having super fast turnarounds over there, super, super nice. But I'm trying to say is, when I got it done, I didn't have that much ride time with this bike yet, so I'll show you guys the mileage later on this bike. It's super, super low, but right now let's go on this on-ramp. Gosh, it's so loud. Camaro over here too. Whoa. Feels good to be free. It's like just free, wide open freaking roads right now, dude. The camera's on my chin and it's so fucking nice. Super nice. I really thought it'd be a lot colder right now, but it's really not that cold, which is, I get cold pretty fast, so I can't really say much, but this feels fucking great. It just feels, I'm free. This is hands down, super good. My bad. Hey, what's up, bro? Yeah, I'm already on my way right now. I'm hopping off the freeway. Alright, so meeting up with the rest of the homies right now. It's been a minute since I've been back out here in this area, so let's see. There's another entrance over there. This place over here is wet, so yeah. Hello, everybody.
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
Yeah.
All right, guys. We made it. We made it. Kai and Andrew took their Ducati V2s. Such a fucking great view, dude. Oh no, it's a V4, my bad. V4 and a V2. And then you have a fake Ducati right down the center, which is so fucking funny. But it is what it is, man. I can't afford these Italian monsters. I do hear another bike though. Alright, so this is a Ducati V4, guys. It looks fucking nice, man. All I'm saying is, if I were to ever get a Italian bike, this is definitely the bike that I would want personally. But if I were to get a daily, maybe an S1000. But if you are comparing the two, these are two different track animals, and it's going to be different on the road as well. Because these things right here are beasts. But for me, I'm a short king, so I can't really touch the ground that well. I was already complaining with the S1000RR, but I believe with the Ducati, it is a little bit taller of a seat height, which I'm not really a fan of, but I mean, just the fact that you have the opportunity to say, I have a Ducati V4, that, in my opinion, is going to be just something that could cancel some parts out of being a short king. But today's going to be a good day. So let's go ahead and do an entire walk around here. So R7, V4, V2, S1000, Triumph Speed to a 900. We have a good lineup. We're waiting for Logan and his buddy right now, but if they can't make it, I guess they're just going to meet us over there at the meet, but we're going to give them some time, so hang in there, guys. All right, everybody, we are headed out. The motorcycles. I'm a little quiet now because everyone else's bike in here is super loud. fucking Ducati's loud as shit, dude. Oh, that's her. Jesus, who the fuck just farted? Well, we made it. We're here with the bike boys, just telling you guys are on the helmet still. But yeah, that's Mark. You guys remember Mark? Welcome, Mark, back to the channel.
Hello.
It's just so weird. But yeah, you guys are still on the helmet, so you guys are not really on the big camera. So I apologize for the horrible camera quality, but hopefully the audio is a lot better this time around. I'm just gonna leave you guys on there so I don't fuck up the entire 3M on it. So we'll just walk around, see what's out here, and hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. All right, guys, so we made it to the world's worst or finest market. It's in downtown. We're not riding. We're just gonna end the video here because I only have 14% on this battery. So I'm here with Irene, I'm here with Mark, I'm here with Jay. I'm just gonna close out the video. Hope you guys liked it. If you guys liked it, give us a video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next moto vlog. Peace out. Stay positive, be awesome.